Hi guys, it's Rudo Dube, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market and scale your online business. So one way for you to get that success with your online business is to be confident in yourself and confident in your business as well. Because when you're not confident in yourself, when you're not confident in your abilities to run a business, to even start a business, you are not gonna do well when it comes to your business. You need to have that confidence and that belief in yourself to say, yes, you can do this. You can be that business owner that you can be. You can be that CEO of your own business and actually build a very successful brand. Because when you have that belief, you have that courage for you to work through any roadblocks that you might face in your business, and also have that courage to go for what you want in your business, right? Whether it's approaching that manufacturers or approaching other investors in your business, you have to have that confidence in yourself to be able to say, hey, I can do this, and then you'll be able to get that success. Because if you are not confident in yourself, you're going to be holding yourself back, because that's when fear comes in and hold yourself back from getting the success that you need in your business, because you're not confident in approaching manufacturers. You're quite timid, and then people take advantage of you if they see that some weakness in you. So you need to be confident in yourself. And also being confident in your business. You have to be confident in your business. You have to have that confidence to say, hey, this business is going to work. This is what people really need. My products are really good, are the best products that I've sourced out. They're good quality. They solve the problems that my ideal clients have. This is what the market is. You've tested it out. You have to be confident in your business. Because when you're confident in your business, you're going to do whatever it takes for you to get the success in your business, right? You're not just going to let all the competitors run you out of business, right? Because you are going to be more competitive in the market. You're going to be coming up with different strategies to keep pushing forward, right? You're going to come up with different marketing angles for you to stick out, to stand out of all your competitors, so that people get to know that you exist. You have this product that everyone has been dying for, which is going to be the perfect product to solve the problems that they have, right? So without those confidence in yourself and your business, you're not going to be able to do what it takes for you to get that success in your business. So if you're facing any challenges with your confidence, make sure you work on that, because it doesn't translate in everything that you get to do. Because if you're not confident in yourself and your business, you're going to be holding yourself back in a lot of ways that you might not have thought about, right? Because I know this might feel like, oh, this is not really important, it's a fluff and all this stuff, right? You can fake it until you make it. If need be, you can do that, right? But you have to have that confidence to fake it until you make it to be able to do that, right? So make sure you work on your confidence if you need to, so that you can do what it takes for you to get the success that you need in your business. So I hope that helps, guys. So if that's been useful for you, make sure you share with others that might find this video useful as well. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you don't miss any of the videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build your online business. And always leave any comments below. I'm always here to check and answer any questions that you might have. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.